In my video about the third-person singular direct object forms of transitive Isan, we learned the forms dut, du, dugu, dusu, dusue, and dute. You will also often encounter the third-person plural direct object forms. Today, I'll give those to you. Hi, I'm Shanna, and this is Basque Berserk. With quote-unquote them as the direct object, these forms look similar to the he, she, it direct object forms. The letter D begins these forms, marked in purple. This lets us know that this is a present tense form of the third person. Then we have an infix, which indicates that this is a plural form, in green for the direct object. This plural marker for this particular form is it, it. Next we add our letter U, and then come the subject suffixes, which is T for first person singular, I have them, nik ditut. Null suffix for third person singular, ark ditu. The suffix gu for first person plural, guk ditugu. The suffix su for second person singular, suk ditusu. Sue for the second person plural, suek ditusue. And for third person plural, instead of simply having te, the suffix changes to ste, zte. Because, well, Isan is highly irregular, and for some reason Basque wants to mark this with a double pluralizer. Aiek dituste. Not so hard, right? Consider watching my practice video, and thank you again for watching. Agur!